Hello friends, this is Chili.
Hi guys, I'm Apple.
Welcome to our IKE live stream tonight. And tonight we are going to show you how to dry the leafy vegetables and also going to introduce our cabinets style food dehydrator to you guys.
Yeah, actually dehydration is becoming more and more common in agricultural field because a lot of farmers are facing a serious problem. They will find out their agriculture easily decay if their product are stored properly. So it may cause a lot of waste. So dehydration is an efficient answer because it can efficiently extend the shelf life. For example, for the fresh mango, the shelf life it is about
Just
1 month, but after dehydration, their shelf life can be extended to 1 year. So it is a very good change. And secondly, a lot of product can be way more valuable after dehydration. For example, the fish mold and some kind of herbs, because their medication value can be way higher. So in front of you, these are a lot of dehydration samples we made. As you can see, there are various types.
The pepper, it's the green pepper. And here there's some dry chilies. And here this one is fish mold, right? Fish mold.
Vegetables and meat products and herbs and mushrooms and other spices.
This
can
one
also be dehydrated. So it can, if you don't know more, if you know a few details about dehydration, so it is okay to contact us and we can provide professional advice. So maybe we can show some details of our samples to our clients.
Yeah, sure.
And could you please open this and show some to our clients?
Yeah, sure. Here is the green pepper we just dried like a couple of days ago. You can see the color is very green.
Come closer, please.
Yeah.
Come closer, please.
Yeah, you can come closer to have a look. Yeah, it contains the very good shade, and also you can see the color is very natural. So why our products can keep the color so beautiful?
Yeah, it is actually one of IKE's secrets to maintain materials original properties, and we will introduce them to you later. And before that, what is that, please?
Here's the chili. Yeah, the dry red.
What do you recommend them to choose?
I think mostly if you dry the vegetables, so the perfect temperature is 55 degrees to 65 degrees.
Okay, so middle temperature is basically suitable for all vegetables or fruits, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so can they make the pepper into powder after dehydration? Because some of clients would like to make some pepper powder.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, IKE also has some grinding machine, and if you need some advice, and so feel free to contact us, and we can recommend a suitable machine to you. And this is
the chicken jerky. That's right.
Okay. Could you let me know if I want to make some chicken jerky, what kind of thickness should be chosen?
The thickness, I think the thickness it would be 5 millimeters. It would be great.
Okay, actually, you can feel free to choose your target thickness, but the thicker the meat is, the longer the dehydration time would be. So
that's right.
Yeah, we suggest you to find out the parameters suit you best after trial production. And what is this?
It's the mushroom.
Would you like to show to my clients?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can have a look. here the mushroom we dried. You can see it still have a very good shape after the drying.
Yeah. The mushroom dehydrated by IKE, it will not shrink a lot.
Yeah.
So
Smell good.
its shape can be maintained very well. And for some clients in Asia, they prefer eating fresh mushroom. Actually, they can also do that based on the dry mushroom because they can rehydrate them easily. So they just need to put the dehydrated mushroom into the hot water or just normal temperature water for maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour. The mushroom can rehydrate very well.
Yeah.
So could you let me know what is the suitable temperature for mushrooms? Maybe also the middle temperature, 55 to 60 Celsius degrees.
Maybe a less
Yeah.
temperature. Yeah, I think the mushroom would be good to dry it in.
Could you let me know some reasons?
Yeah, that the secret is because we use the low temperature to dry these products. You know, the low temperature can protect those protect the cell of the product very well. If you use the high temperature, then maybe the cell construction will be destroyed.
Yeah.
Then all the nutrition will be lost during the drying.
The moisture by high temperature, but one of our secrets is to reducing the relative humidity inside the drying chamber. So that's why IKE can maintain the original properties of materials. And
Yeah.
also there are some process to make your dry product to become more pretty. For example, some clients they dehydrated apple slices and they will find out their apple slices would become darker after dehydration. That is because the oxidation, and to prevent the oxidation they can just soak their apple slice into the salt water, and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes they will also be fine, and just put the apple slice into the dehydrator. So after this process they can gain far more beautiful apple slices. And
Yeah,
the
that's
second
right.
one, it is also applied to the green chili. Some people would find out that the green product, the green vegetables, they would become yellow after dehydration. So our suggestion is to blanch the green vegetables for maybe 20 to 30 seconds. This way is to inhibit chlorophyll's enzyme activity. With this procedure, they can maintain the original green color after dehydration. So you can promote your product's value way lot higher.
Yeah.
So I know that we have prepared some fresh materials and
Yeah.
we will put them into our dehydrators, right?
Yeah,
So what
that's
will it
right.
be?
It's the cucumber and the cabbage.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Today,
before we put it into the food dehydrator, then apple you will slice them, right?
yeah. Actually, IKE also has some processing machines like cutting machines. So if your processing amount is small, it is okay to cut it by hand. But if your processing amount is very large, it is okay to contact us, and we
Yeah.
can recommend a suitable machine to you. And today we will just cut very few vegetables. Hey, can you let me know what is the
Yes.
recommended thickness of the vegetables?
I think the 3 millimeters would be great.
Yeah, actually, remember the dehydration time not
It's
fixed. It
Yeah, the thickness is important. So I guess the more thick, the more thinner you get, then the more shorter drying time.
Yeah, and the dehydration time is
30.
yeah, it's just 13 Celsius degrees, and the time will be very long, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And if I want to shorten the dehydration time, so
And-
what temperature would you recommend me to use?
Like this one, I think the medium temperature will be fine, like 55 degrees.
Oh, so can I choose 65 degrees because I think this would be more efficient?
Yeah, you can. But maybe at the beginning, we will suggest the customer to use a more lower temperature, and then maybe in the last process of the drying, then they can like enhance the higher temperature.
Oh, okay,
I
that's-
think maybe that way can also maintain the color very good.
Yeah, this is very interesting, and you can introduce more details to our clients later. And
Yeah.
for the cucumber, what thickness do you recommend? Do you recommend it to be? Maybe.
I think maybe you can try the 1 or 2 millimeters.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm trying. So do I need to blanch the cucumber before dehydration? Because you just say for the green vegetables, blanching is very helpful to maintain their original color.
Yeah, that's right. But I guess, or maybe we can do the experiment if we want, just like how you can like use some boiled waters to to do some pre-treatment on the cucumber, or the other one just don't need to have any pre-treatment.
Okay, for this time maybe we just
Yeah.
try the cucumber without blanching,
Yeah.
and next
Yeah.
time we will try the cucumber with blanching to see the
Yeah,
difference.
right.
As you can see, IKE, we are not just manufacture and develop dehydrators, and we also do a lot of dehydration experiments to gain adequate dehydration experience to help our clients to give them suitable and relevant advice.
That's right.
So, if you have any confusion in dehydration field about how to choose the machine and how to make them more pretty and how to enhance the production efficiency, just feel free to contact us. You can leave the message on our website and you can subscribe our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so just follow my colleague and put the
Yeah.
materials into the drying chamber.
Okay. Yeah, from I sorry. Okay, hello friends. In front of you, this is our 100 series cabinet closed loop of heat pump food dehydrator, the WRH100T, and it is the smallest model we have at the moment. Not too big, but actually very practical. The cover and the inside of the machine is made of a stainless steel, and you can see, yeah, because it's made of a stainless steel, so which is durable and very easy to clean. Also, yeah, I want to let you know, here is our controller, the intelligent touch screen controller. When you connect the power supply, and you turn on the controller, set up the targeting temperature and the humidity, then the machine will be start to work. And also here is the observation windows. You can monitor the drying process through these windows. Yeah, and also you can see there are 4 supporting wheels on the bottom of it at any time. It's very convenient. And so right now I want to show you the inside of the chamber. Actually, yeah, I just put this tray inside the chamber, and actually you can put totally 15 stainless steel trays inside the stainless steel tray. We also have the it has a very strong structure. So it's not easy to get broken, and also the loading capacity of this tray. You can go with our plastic trays. The plastic trays also can be reached to 120 degrees. But the loading capacity may be about 3 kilograms. So actually, if you want the lower cost, you can choose the plastic tray. Except these 2 trays, also we have these hooks for the customers. For the fish or the large biltong, and also like inside the drying room, and keep their shades straight during the drying process. And then also I want to say one more thing, like about the temperature. Let's just temperature. For this model, the temperature range is 20 to 80 degrees Celsius, and you know different degrees is suitable for drying different materials. For example, 20 to 50 degrees is suitable for drying like herbs, spicy flowers, seafood, and bird necks, or something just contained high protein. And also for the 50 to 65 degrees is suitable for drying vegetables and fruits. Then for 65 to 80 degrees Celsius is suitable for meat drying, such as beef jerky. So this model can be used for drying. Open the door again. I want to show you how does the machine to dehydrate the materials. Now, you can see actually, sorry, here, the heat pump full system is, we call it the main machine. It's on the left of the cabinet. So now the hot air will come out from the air outlet on the bottom. Then they will go up, penetrate the wet materials and bring out the moisture. And then the hot wet air will go inside the air inlet on the top. And then after the process of heat pump systems, then the moisture will be condensed into the water drop, then will be released from the drying room through the water outlet. And then the hot water, they will comes out. They come out again, and the whole drying process just repeat it again and again till all the wet materials will be dry. Yeah. And Okay, now I close the door. And because the whole drying process is happened in the completely sealed chamber room, so the energy is just recycling inside this chamber room, which means no energy lost. That's also the reason why our food dehydrator is very high efficient and very energy saving. Now then how exactly does it works? Let's check the controller. Yeah, actually, this controller is developed and designed by our IKE team. It's very easy to operate. Let me show you. Actually, now it's working, but maybe we can start it again. Maybe we can try to. Right? Yeah. Actually, now it's off. So when you try to use this food dehydrator, you can use this. First you have to enter the password. The password is 111111. So it's a 61, and then enter, and then we can choose the mode setting. Actually, now the new food dehydrator only have a two mode setting. The constant temperature and the humidity mode, and the other is a fixed time mode. And normally we will choose the constant temperature and humidity mode. So it's this one. Oh, sorry, it's this one. Okay, the temperature maybe we can try 55, and here the humidity, we can try the 10, and then we just set up parameters. And then we just have to turn on the machine. Yeah, so now it just work. And actually, you can check if the machine work properly. Here you can see this animation. Yeah, you can see all the different icons. And here also you can see the curve to see how the here is the target temperature, and it means the current the current humidity. Yeah. So we can get back. Here is the main menu. And actually, the machine is already start working. And also, we have another model want to introduce to you. Here is the 100GN. Actually, these two models, they look quite similar, but actually there are two mainly differences between them. Yeah, you can. So this the one thing. The structure is different, and also maybe we can also have a look inside the cabinet. You can see there are two air ducts on the both sides. And then where the airflow from left to right is in the parallel way. And this airflow, we will call it the parallel airflow. And also it is more evenly. especially for the product in slice. So like to see the cucumber, the GM, you can be put 20 trays inside the drying room. That means you can have a more drying area with a more trays in this model. Okay, so this is the introduction of our 100 series cabinet style food dehydrator. If you have any questions, you are welcome to leave us message or send us email through our website www.ike.cm. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And next, my colleague Apple will going to introduce you the bigger size model. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is our WRH 300 series. It is one level higher than our WRH 100 series. So this one is also cabinet design, which means all components and accessories are already inside this dehydrator. So you no need to install the whole unit. You can start production as soon as you have received the dehydrator and connect it to the power source. In this design, it can save a lot of labor costs and time for you. So as you can see, the whole unit is made in stainless steel, so it can resist corrosion and comeback. So you don't need to worry about its shelf life. And let's open the gate and see its dehydration chamber. Capacity is one level higher than our WRH 100 series. Its loading capacity can be 315 kilograms per batch maximum, but it also depends on the actual conditions, which means there are some materials that are not suitable for being stacked during dehydration. For example, some fruit slice and some herb slice, like apple, banana, and okra, because they can be sticky when you stack them together, so we don't mess. So you may not put more than 300 kilograms inside this dehydrator. But it's okay if you have any confusion about the loading capacity or other issues. Just feel free to contact us through our email or YouTube. It will also be okay. And back to the capacity, this dehydrator can hold 40 trays in total. You can choose the stainless steel tray and also our food safety level plastic tray. It would also be okay. And for some materials, they are not also be suitable for trays, like some large fish or beef jerky, some biltong. We can customize some accessories for you. For example, the hanging bars. The hanging bars can be placed inside the dehydration chamber. Just put the bars here and hang some hooks. And then you can hang the biltong or large fish on the hooks. So in this design, your materials can be treated in a proper way. Also, one of its unique advantage is its parallel wind duct. The hot air will come out from the left side, go back to the right side. It guarantees the material in every corner can be blown evenly, so it can guarantee the dehydration effect can be the most uniform. If you want to close the door, just need to do it this way, very simple. And after you have put the raw material inside the chamber and connect the power source, just need to turn on the machine through the touch board and set the target parameters. And you can also monitor the whole dehydration process through the Come closer, please. Not connected to the power source, so the screen is not active, but it will be okay. So for today, I will not introduce too detailed to this machine because in our next live stream, which will start on September 16, our colleague will show you more details about middle-sized drying solution. So if you want to know more about this dehydrator and other middle-sized dehydrator, please don't miss our next live stream on September 16.